afternoon, we are Ishi, Crystal, and now we present our side.
The 5th grade and the 6th grade are English star. English star is in this. And the 5th grade we won the division.
Welcome to the world's greatest band.
In task is make a poster or a PowerPoint of a Beatles.
In process, we'll work about characters. We are divided into 4 groups. One group words by John Lennon, another group of Paul McCartney, another group of George Harrison, another group of
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be
Yes?
love me do, oh, love me do, love me do, you know I love you, I'll always be true, so please, love me do, oh, love me do.
Okay, thank you.
Somebody new, someone to love, someone
Is his favorite song. Is his favorite song. Okay, clap your hands. Love me do. You know I love you. I know love you too. So please, love me too.
Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long. Love, 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 love.
Businessman.
Love, love, love.
Submarine. Thank you for practice class. Thank you. Oh,
Songs about the Beatles.
very good.